So I retested my particular website and it's opening fairly fast. Now I just tested on Page Insight. The current score I am getting is 67 for desktop, which is fairly good for me since we have improved from we have improved from 28. We have improved from 28 to 87. I think that's good enough for now. It's fairly working well with GT metrics also. I'm getting a score of 88 and 80 for voice flow and page speed. I'm just waiting for this particular thing to be applied. And we have reduced request till 30. Our page size is reduced to 1.48 MB and loading time is 2.8 seconds, which is fairly less than our first page time that was massive. So from 5.6 seconds we are now 2.8 seconds. So we have done a good job. Now I need to check out my website on incognito mode since on the current browser, that is on this browser, I am already logged in. So my cache setting, that is comment cache, is not working for the logged in user. So I'm trying to test my website on incognito mode. Let's check out. So that was pretty fast. Everything was done in 0.71 second. So if you see real-time users in India, that is real-time response in India, it's quite good. It's less than 1 second and I'm quite happy. So if you visit this particular GT matrix, this is from Canada. So I can understand why the result might be slow. Since my server, that is my main server, is in Singapore. So that might be the reason, but I'm using CDN. So there is some millisecond difference. Let me test it again. After cache, it's still less than 1 second. It's 0.43, so less than a second is still possible when our site is cached on a particular user. So it's fairly well. I'm checking that if I can attain less than 0.43. It's 0.44, 45, 43, 41. It's that 0.41. Let's test 2 or 3 more times so I can check and finally conclude that this is the possible result. 0.40. I guess this is fairly enough. We have concluded as result of 0.40 second on cached version. Apply all these steps on your website and you can easily improve your website speed. Only 1 or 2 topics are remaining. That is your caching expiration. Second most important thing was was not our error, but that can occur as error, is render blocking. That is quite common, is just because you have added JavaScript in between your HTML and not on the footer. So this is the common thing. If you are developing your website in any other languages or with any other CMS, just focus this point, add your JavaScript at the bottom. So we have done fairly well with our page and we have improved our speed with good results. And I'm happy with my website speed now since because of this project I have improved my website speed. Do check out my website and give me a fair response about it. In the next lecture, we'll be understanding and have an overview about Google AMP. Don't forget to check out description since I will be writing a ton about it in description. So if you are a web developer, this is your chance to show your talent with Google AMP.